The Industry Hub is one of the hubs of the CPS, and its specific function is to make sure that there is an attractant for industry into the community that's attempting to deal with the problem of dark and quiet skies. And its constitution is such that, as I say, we need to maximise the attractiveness for industry to get involved. And we found quite early on that industry was ignorant in general of the problem. They thought, for instance, in the optical, it was just something that people would kind of find entertaining, that you'd have bright lights crossing the sky and you could take your children out at night and show them to them. And in the radio, that regulation was enough. So that's the first job that the INT Hub does, which is to educate industry as to these issues that are created for astronomy, both in the optical and in the radio. Get them to understand what the potential is for mitigation, to share experiences with one another, and most importantly also to have a means by which they can get their mitigations assessed by the community. So in other words, have observation campaigns coordinated, particularly when they're flying their prototype spacecraft, to assess the efficacy of their mitigations in a way that it carries credibility with the community. Most significant participation is from 3 companies right now, but we do have a total of 15 operators involved. So SpaceX have long been engaged with this problem and have attempted several mitigations and have had observation campaigns multiple times. We have OneWeb, who have been involved actually in a slightly different way, in as much that they're modelling the brightness of a spacecraft and have provided software to allow others to do that. And Amazon Kuiper, who have also committed to the hub, and their commitment is signified by the fact that one of the leads of the INT Hub is provided by Kuiper, Chris Hoffer.